Uncle Mark here. Welcome to the channel. Working on a Ram 1500. It's a 2013, I believe. The remote control needs a new battery in it. We'll show you how that's done. This is a little different than some of the older ones that look similar or look the same. This one's got a hidden screw that if you don't take it out, you're going to break it. So watch carefully. This is pretty easy to do. See this little slider thing here? If you ever wonder what that does, it slides and lets your key out. You're gonna have to do that first. So just slide it over and the key should pop out. Now that's gonna let you get access to this little bitty screw that you probably never knew was there. Some of the older keys didn't have this screw, but the key looks the same. So you want to make sure you take this screw out or you're gonna really break things. It's a little Phillips. Not sure what the size is. It's a pretty small one. I'll put a link in the description of some tools if you want to get a set of these. They come in handy for small screws. And then just pry with a flat one here on that side and on this other side, just slowly, gently. And then just kind of wiggle it back and forth and it should come apart, and there's your battery there. Now you can always pop that out if you want, if that makes it easier. It's just a little rubber piece you want to make sure is back in the way it needs to be. Oh, the whole thing fell out, and there's our battery. It's a CR2032. Get those, whoa, anywhere. Let's do a slow motion replay of that, just for fun. Anyway, so at this point, if you have the new battery, you can install it. Just slides back in and under like that. Just take note that the name faces up, whatever brand of battery it is. There's a 3-volt battery. And to snap this in, do the front first. Just kind of push around the edges. And then slowly you're going to want to, like a zipper, kind of press both sides little by little by little, and it should just click together. You'll know if it's not snapping together well. Take it apart again, and then if it's all together, put the little screw back in there. So that's going to hold everything nice and tight. It's a little screw, you don't want to lose it. It's baby. You want to have some good lighting to do this. And just slowly just put her back in. Pretty simple process. I guess if you didn't have one of these tools, I don't know, maybe a jewelry place that sells batteries too could do this for you, or your dealership. And just make sure everything works okay, and if there's a problem, it's the remote if the battery hasn't fixed it. So that's how it's done. Pretty easy to take that battery out, put it back in. I'll put a link down in the description here as to some of those jeweler's tools there. You might be able to just use, if you have a Phillips screwdriver for your glasses. Well, I guess it wouldn't be a Phillips. It would be a flat one, wouldn't it? Yeah, that's not going to work. Anyway, it'll be down in the description. They're not very expensive. They're good for little screws to take out. If you enjoyed the video, why not give me the thumbs up? Subscribe in the corner if you already haven't. I will start an Ram. Ram 1500 playlist too, that this one will be in. Take care until next time. Bye-bye from Uncle Mark. Remember to be safe. Your safety is your responsibility and should be priority number one. Also, give me the thumbs up if you like the video. Plus, please subscribe and you'll get all the notifications. It's easy. The little dog will show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. Uncle Mark here. Welcome back to the channel. We're going to work on a Dodge today, a Ram 1500. What the problem is here is, what is the problem? Uncle Mark here. Welcome back to the channel. We're working on a Ram 1500 of all things today. It is a Dodge. We're going to replace the battery in the remote control. He's having trouble with that. So it's fairly easy to do. It's a little different than some of the older ones. It's got a hidden screw that you're going to have to take out too. We'll show you all of how it's done in this episode. All of how it's done.